Hello and welcome to another update video on ICP. I'm here on the ICP short-term chart, and yeah, some of you have asked me, do I still see this as a fourth wave? The thing is, as I said many times before, the orange count, I'm very skeptical about it because this is a long-term downtrend, and until we actually have 5 waves up, I can't confirm this is the orange count that's developing, but let's say it's a working thesis. It's a scenario that we're tracking from an Elliott wave point of view, which gives us key support levels. And I mean, I have to say this pullback is now deep enough to be all of the fourth wave. It's just that when we talk about proportions, it would actually be ideal for the price to form a broader BC structure. But yeah, we need to see. I mean, it hasn't really moved much since yesterday. But the idea is still that we're watching here for a low at least in wave A. And the move down, I mean, this A wave, it looks a bit like a 3-wave move down. It doesn't look necessarily like a 5-wave decline. So the answer is yes, it should be a corrective move, yeah, which unfolded there in the A wave. So for example, A, B, C in wave A. But I haven't got any clear bottoming structure. I mean, now it's at least reached the 38.2 retracement, which I highlighted is usually the ideal target for such a fourth wave. So we'll see if the bulls now show up here. If they do, the nearest resistance is between 755 and 930. And then from here, we could watch for a C-wave decline to start. It's just important that from a bullish point of view, from an upside continuation point of view, whether we get a broader wave 4 or that's it already, we're holding $5.23. I know this was already a decline of what is 40% even, yeah, 40%, which doesn't look that much on this chart, but that has to do with the volatility. Yeah, cryptos are very volatile and we have to give them room to move. Also here into a standard support zone, which in this case is between 523 and 728, which however was very well known since the start of that pullback. Yeah, so ICP currently is respecting key levels. The price broke out above that swing high there from the 6th of October, 5th of October. Yeah, broke out above it, retested it from above, then moved up higher to reach the first ideal target of the third wave, which is usually the 138% FIB extension. So everything okay. And then in the pullback, we reached standard support. So we'll see if the bulls show up from here and start the 5th wave up, or at least a B wave. The parameters should all be clear. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find the link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.